to the weight and balanced foreign policy of the head of state, acquisition of neutrality status and successful holding of the open doors policy, Turkmenistan's international image has raised in the international arena for the past 15 years. Being an active participant of the international relations, the Turkmen state is supportive for a productive dialogue for ensuring universal peace, safety, steady economic and social development that are key aspects of the foreign policy course of the country initiated by President Gurbanguly Berdimuhammedov, including close cooperation with United Nations, supporting all its initiatives. Recently, in the frame of this cooperation, the Conference on Development of Parliamentarism has been held at the Mejlis of Turkmenistan. It was organized by the Mejlis of Turkmenistan jointly with UNDP.
My name is Kevin Deveaux. I am the United Nations Development Program Head of Parliamentary Development. I am here in Ashgabat, Turkmenistan, to meet with my colleagues in the UNDP office and members of the Mejlis to discuss the work that we have done on behalf of the Parliament in support of their work, and to talk about, in the future, how UNDP can continue to support the Mejlis. Specifically, today, we met with the members of Parliament and some staff to discuss international standards for Parliament. The members of Parliament particularly were interested in their role in producing and passing legislation and the legal framework to ensure that the state is able to function on behalf of the citizens of Turkmenistan. And I was able to provide them with some examples of how this is done in other countries. My impressions of Ashgabat. Ashgabat is a very beautiful city. I have been so impressed with the modern buildings, with the modern infrastructure, and the people have been very generous while I've been here. So this is my first time in Turkmenistan, but I must say that it is, I hope it is not my last, because the generosity of the people in this country has been very good, and I hope to be able to come back and experience it again. And I'd like to express my personal wishes for the people of Turkmenistan and the President of Turkmenistan on the upcoming 15th anniversary of the Declaration of Neutrality of Turkmenistan. I wish you congratulations and the best of luck.
The Conference on the Development of Parliamentarism has been held at the Mejlis of Turkmenistan. It was organized by the Mejlis of Turkmenistan jointly with UNDP. Kevin Deveaux, an international-level specialist of the headquarters of UNDP that is situated in New York, was also participated at this conference. He has got familiarized participants with international experience in the sphere of development of parliamentarism, legislative business, and with deputies activities holding in various countries of the world. With the adoption of the new version of Turkmenistan's constitution in 2008, the parliament of the country successfully carries out work on improvement of the legal foundations of reformatory transformations being realized in all spheres of vital activity of the Turkmen state. The whole numbers of projects of state meaning directed to the improvement of well-being of the Turkmen nation have been started in the epoch of new revival under the leadership of the esteemed president. Grandiose transformations are held in all spheres of vital activity of the country. At present, deputies of the Mejlis of Turkmenistan hold great work in the development new modern legal documents correspond to our developed society. In 2008, new edition of Constitution of Turkmenistan was accepted. In connection with this, legal foundation of reformatory transformations is also improved. The historical statement of the respected President of Turkmenistan in the first session of the fourth convocation put before deputies concrete tasks. In connection with this, at present time, deputies of Turkmenistan's Mejlis hold much work in the development new modern legal documents that correspond to our developed society and approved quite a lot of new bills directed to the strengthening of the legal foundations of reforms held in the country.
Turkmenistan'ın konstitusiyasına layıklıkta meclisin amal asırayan vazifeleri giyineldilli şeylede meclisin deputatlarının sani.
The respected president proclaimed the slogan "State for People, People for State" that reflects all essence of deep of humanism ideology of the epoch of new revival. It means that all reformative large-scale transformations held in the neutral, independent Turkmenistan are directed to the improvement of well-being of the Turkmen nation and prosperity of the country. We thank the respected president of Turkmenistan for great attention paid to the Mejlis of Turkmenistan. We wish the esteemed president of Turkmenistan sound health and successes in his state activities.